Hey guys, Flando here, and today I'm bringing you my latest PC build. Let's see. I have a Core i5 2500K, 8 gigabytes of gskill 1866 RAM, two R9 270s on a BioStar, as you can see right there, TZ77B motherboard. A Sentry 650 watt power supply, or sentey, I guess is what it was called. The case I'm using is called it's a DIY PC solar, what is it, MIR, I think is what it is. I'll put the description in the link below. But anyway, the case itself is actually pretty nice because there's a lot of room, like back in here. Probably dumb of me to put my hand in there. There's a lot of room back there to like stuff cables, so that's always good. Oh, and I also have a terabyte hard drive right there. The case is a mid-tower case, but it fits everything very nicely. As you can see, there's enough space in the back panel for you to like put wires and stuff. So that was very useful when I was building this. It does look messy right here, but all those cables are put away somewhere in the back. Now let's see what it looks like with the side panel. Let's see. Do this one hand. Bear with me. May just put my phone down. I'm just gonna put my phone down. Yep, put the phone down. All right. And it's got like a tint to it. So, and with the light going in it, you can see through it. But when the light's not on, it's kind of hard to see through. Here's the front of the case. It came with the red LED fan in there. And the power button's red too, which kind of looks cool. Let's see. That is it. That is my most recent build. I hope you guys like it. All right. Laters.